In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Uber Eats wallet settings and refresh your payment method for a smoother checkout experience. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Uber Eats website. Let the page load fully, then sign in to your account if needed. Once you're in, head over to your wallet or payment settings area. This is the section where your saved payment methods are stored, including cards and other checkout options connected to your profile. When you're inside the wallet settings, carefully review the payment methods currently saved there. If you see any expired card entries, remove them from the account. Keeping outdated payment details on your profile can sometimes lead to checkout errors or failed payment attempts, so it's a good idea to clean this section up before adding anything new. Take a moment to confirm that only valid and relevant payment options remain. After that, the next step is to clear your active browser data in Chrome. Go into the browser settings and completely clear your cache and cookies. This helps remove stored session data and old website information that may interfere with payment updates or account changes. If the site has been holding on to outdated data, clearing these files can often fix loading issues, sign-in problems, or payment pages that don't update correctly. Once the browser data has been cleared, reopen the site if necessary and sign back in to continue. Now return to the wallet section and add a fresh payment method. You can enter a new credit card, or if you prefer, choose an alternative option such as PayPal if that's available on your account. As you enter the new information, double-check everything for accuracy before saving. Even a small typo can prevent the payment method from being accepted, so it's worth taking an extra few seconds here. Once the new payment option has been added, move ahead with re-authenticating your checkout transaction. This means completing your bank or payment provider's secure verification process, such as the confirmation step required to approve a transaction. Follow the prompts carefully and complete the verification through your trusted banking security protocol. This step helps confirm that the payment method is legitimate and ready for use. After verification is complete, your wallet setup should be refreshed and your checkout process